Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best toaster ovens available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option, a premium multifunction appliance, or something in between, I've got you covered. Check out the product links in the description below for more details. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Black + Decker 4-slice toaster oven. This compact and efficient toaster oven is perfect for those who need a reliable and affordable solution for small batch cooking. With its 4 versatile cooking functions, bake, broil, toast, and keep warm, it covers all the basics for quick meals and snacks. The curved interior is designed to fit a 9-inch pizza or up to 4 slices of bread, making it a great fit for smaller households. The design is sleek and functional, with a polished stainless steel finish that blends seamlessly into most kitchens. The simple knob controls make it user-friendly, and the 30-minute timer provides precision along with a stay-on option for longer cooking tasks. The removable crumb tray ensures easy cleanup, which is always a plus. However, at 6.65 pounds, it's a lightweight option, so it might feel a bit less sturdy compared to heavier models. While it's not loaded with advanced features, the Black + Decker 4-slice toaster oven delivers consistent results thanks to its natural convection airflow. It's an ideal choice for people who want an affordable, no-frills toaster oven. The main con here is that it lacks an air fry feature and higher-end programmability, but for the price, it's a solid performer. At number 4, we have another great option from Black Decker, the TO1745 SSG1A 4-slice toaster oven. This model is slightly more affordable than the previous one, but it packs in similar functionality with a few differences. It offers 4 cooking functions: bake, broil, toast, and keep warm, and features even toast technology for perfectly browned bread every time. This model is perfect for small families or individuals who need a reliable countertop appliance. The sleek stainless steel design is modern and space-saving. It features a clear glass door that makes it easy to monitor your food as it cooks. The 30-minute timer with an audible signal and stay-on function adds convenience, while the removable crumb tray ensures quick cleanup. This toaster oven feels durable at 7.26 pounds, and its larger dimensions, 16.9 inches wide, make it slightly roomier than the previous Black Decker model. While it's a fantastic value for its price, this model does lack advanced features like air frying or digital controls. Overall, the Black Decker TO1745 SSG1A is a dependable option for users who want a budget-friendly, straightforward toaster oven that delivers consistent results without breaking the bank. Coming in at number 3 is the Brevel B650 XL Compact Smart Oven. Brevel is known for its high-quality kitchen appliances, and this model doesn't disappoint. With its medium capacity, it can handle 4 slices of toast, a 12-inch pizza, or even a roast chicken. The standout feature here is the Element IQ technology, which adjusts the heat distribution for precise cooking, ensuring perfect results every time. The brushed stainless steel design is both elegant and durable, making it a long-lasting addition to your countertop. The digital controls and LCD display add a modern touch, and the included enamel broiling rack and baking pan provide versatility right out of the box. At 14.1 pounds, it's sturdy yet compact enough to fit in smaller kitchens. While the Brevel Compact Smart Oven is an excellent performer, it does come at a higher price point compared to other models on this list, and the price is not always readily available. It's best suited for those who prioritize precision and premium build quality over a lower price. The lack of an air frying function might be a downside for some, but for overall versatility and performance, this toaster oven is a great option. Taking the number 2 spot is the Black Decker Crisp and Bake Air Fry Countertop Convection Toaster Oven. This budget-friendly model is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to enjoy the benefits of air frying without spending a fortune. With its 5-in-1 functionality, air fry, bake, broil, toast, and keep warm, it's a versatile option for small to medium-sized kitchens. The air fry feature allows you to make healthier versions of your favorite fried foods with little to no oil. Its compact yet spacious design can fit a 9-inch pizza or 4 slices of bread, and the stainless steel finish ensures it looks great in any kitchen. The user-friendly controls and included accessories, such as an air fry mesh tray and wire rack, make it easy to prepare a variety of meals. At just 9.14 pounds, it's lightweight but durable. The only downside is that it doesn't offer advanced digital controls or a larger capacity, but for under $40, it's hard to beat the value. If you're on a tight budget but still want a multifunctional toaster oven with air frying capabilities, the Black Decker Crisp and Bake is an excellent choice. Finally, at number 1, we have the Legosi Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. This premium option is the ultimate multi-cooker for those who want versatility and performance. With 24 cooking presets, including air fry, bake, broil, toast, slow cook, and even rotisserie, it's perfect for everything from quick snacks to elaborate meals. The extra-large 26-quart capacity can accommodate a 12-inch pizza, a 6-pound chicken, or enough food to feed a family of 4 to 6. The design is both stylish and functional, with elegant French doors that open with a single pull. The stainless steel finish adds a professional look to your kitchen, while the interior light lets you keep an eye on your food. The dual-speed fan ensures even air circulation for perfectly crispy results when air frying. The digital controls are intuitive, making it easy to select the right cooking function. While this model is on the pricier side, the value it delivers is unmatched. Its robust build quality, large capacity, and wide range of features make it the best choice for serious home cooks. The only con is its size and weight. It's quite large at 26.5 pounds, so make sure you have the counter space. For those who want the best of the best, the Legosi French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven is worth every penny. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.